Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will make an Iron Man mask. First you have to take 4 A4 size papers, and then you will take one paper and divide it into two halves by folding it and press it for a while, and then open it like this. Then put some glue on it, and then push the other back to the glued one part and press it with your fingers, and then open it from one side, and then put some glue on the middle of the paper and spread it with your hands like this, and then put the other page on the first glued one A4 size paper like this, and then press it with your hand a while, and then it will look like this. This you have to make two. Take the one part and like this, and then draw Iron Man mask on it like this. Then you will take a scissor and cut it like this. It will look like this. Then draw the outline of the mask on another two pages like this. You will draw the outline of the mask, and then you will cut the inner part of the mask. It will look like this. It will be the shape of this paper. Then you will cut the second page. I have painted the one with a yellow and the other one with dark red, and the other side of it will be white. Then you will paste some glue on the yellow part and paste it on the red part. Press it with your hand a while, then it will be stick together. Then I will take a pencil and draw the sketches on the mask, and it will look like this. Then you will take a pen and put a hole on the two edges like this. And then you will take two threads of same length and then put them on the mask like this. And I have put sellotape on the back of the paper, and it will look like this. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel Craft Ideas. Bye bye.